Enough is enough.
State Auditor Rob Sand was the only board member to oppose the settlement agreement.
What's really important to me here is the fact that this is now the fourth discrimination settlement while Gary Barta has been the athletic director at the University of Iowa.
He argues taxpayers should not have to pay unless Iowa fires athletic director Gary Barta.
If we're going to hold people accountable, if we're going to prevent additional individuals from becoming victims of discrimination, if we're going to protect taxpayers, we have to, at a certain point, demand more personal responsibility for this kind of thing.
The University of Iowa did not clarify if Iowa is considering any employment change for Gary Barta. Barta did respond to the settlement agreement in a statement to KCCI, writing, quote, "The athletic department remains committed to providing an inclusive and welcoming environment for every student athlete and staff member involved in our program. The Hawkeyes' overarching goal to win every time we compete, graduate every student athlete that comes to Iowa, and to do it right remains our focus." Although other board members also called for change,
I would encourage the university to re-examine the relationship with not only Gary Barta, but Brian Ferentz and others named in recent lawsuits.
State Treasurer Robbie Smith and Department of Management Director Craig Paulson voted to approve the agreement.
Voting against this negates the settlement agreement, potentially forcing this case to go to court and opening Iowa taxpayers to future liabilities that could far exceed the $4 million settlement.
Now, Iowa's football coach Kirk Ferentz says he's, quote, greatly disappointed in how this legal matter was resolved. He responded to the settlement agreement, writing in part, quote, "These discussions took place entirely without the knowledge or consent of the coaches who were named in the lawsuit. In fact, the parties originally named disagree with the decision to settle, fully believing that the case would have been dismissed with prejudice before trial." James.